hydrated. So this is what my edges are looking like. They're not the best I've done. Like, these look a little messed up to me personally, but I'm just gonna leave them since I already started filming. I'm not trying to do it all over again. So for these styles, I have just 2 different scarf styles. Really cute. It's a Paul Mitchell Yacht Club silk, which I found at the thrift store. Oh, look at that. Isn't that cute? Like, it's just a small square. So I use this to style my hair. I also use it to sleep in, but it doesn't really stay on. And then I have this silk, which I got from my man, my fiance. He got me this. So I have these 2 silks that I style my hair with. And then I have 2 hair ties. I probably won't need both, but just in case. So to braid my hair, I followed Harmony Curls tutorial. I'll link it down below so you guys can go check it out, but it's like she's so cute. I freaking love her videos. She did like the cornrows that go into braids, and then I have some box braids at the back. Super cute style. I love her videos. Shout out to her for putting me on to the style. I'm gonna fold my scarf into a triangle. I'm just going to lay my scarf across the top of my head, not covering too much, but I'm just going to collect the ends of the scarf and bring them underneath and tie a knot underneath my head. And then I'm just going to tighten it and tie a second knot. I bring a side forward. So this is just one way I style my braids. Super cute, super easy, and your edges show. You got your hoops on, you know. We're doing the thing. So since I have like the front cornrow, I'm gonna take a couple from this side and then just one from this side and bring them to the back and secure it with a hair tie. This is like the easiest style. Everybody knows this, I feel like. Underneath, and this is just like such a simple style. Like, I feel like everybody, when in high school, I would see everybody was wearing this style. For the third style, I'm going to do a high ponytail. So I like this style of braids because my high ponytails like look like, you know, when your hair's pulled back for a ponytail. I feel like my hair looks like that with this style. So I'm gonna bring all of my braids up to the top of my head. Just do it gently, like, because I see girls be flipping their whole heads upside down. Like, these braids are not light. So once you get it up high enough how you like it, I'm just gonna take a hair tie and tie it around 3 times, or if I can get it 3 times. This is like one of my go-to styles as well. So to style this one, just because this is pretty basic, I'm just going to add a scarf to it. Just rolling up my scarf so it's long like this. Tuck underneath the sides and then tie it underneath the back. And again, do 2 knots. This is one way. I'm just gonna make this into a bun. Really easy. This is like super chic in my opinion. Like, if I was gonna dress up, I would do my hair like this. I don't have anywhere to go, and I would just wear this around the house because honestly I didn't have anywhere to go. Like, we're all stuck inside anyway, but it kind of just keeps my hair out of my face, off my shoulders. Because when I lay down with these braids, my hair, again, because I have my bed against my wall, so when I lay down against my bed, I lay on my hair and then I try and move and it doesn't work. So this is a cute little style, and I'm gonna do one more. Okay, so for this style, I'm just gonna start with my hair on the side, and I'm going to put it in a side ponytail. I'm gonna keep it kind of low. I don't want it too high. And then I'm gonna feed through my scarf. I'm gonna use the other one because I mentioned I had 2 scarves and I've only used one. This one's just my favorite, so, and it's cute. It's pink. It's my favorite color. This through the scarf through, just so it's in there already, and so it doesn't fall out while you're wearing the style. Just gonna go ahead and braid. You could even twist it if you wanted to be honest. But it's just another simple look. I'm just braiding my braids to the end. And you can add another hair tie at the bottom if you'd like. I'm not going to, just for the video. So you got it to the ends. I'm gonna take the hair tie and tie a knot. I just twisted it around and then I'm gonna tie into a cute knot on the side. I'm gonna do it twice. And boom, you have a cute little ponytail, side pony. And this is probably one of my favorites, honestly. You can switch out the scarf, you can take off the scarf if you don't like it, but just a simple side ponytail. Like, I don't know, I feel like when I first started doing braid outs and like box braids, I didn't think to style them because I was like, oh, they're already styled, it's box braids, that's a style. But I didn't realize how annoying they gotta get when you're going through the weeks and you just don't know what to do with them. So this was just a few little hairstyles. Hopefully they helped. If they did, give this video a thumbs up. I'd love to hear some feedback in the comments below. All your support counts. It all matters, no matter how small it is. Yeah, but this is the end of the video. Make sure you subscribe, you know, join the family, whatever. And I'll see you in the next one.